In this video, I'll explain how to use the new Qwen 3.6 Plus and the Qwen Code models for free to build and debug your projects. If you find this useful, subscribe and leave a like. Let's get into it. Paid coding assistants like Claude or GPT-4 can get very expensive when you are working on large projects. Qwen 3.6 Plus just released with a massive 1 million token context window and is currently available for free, making it a powerful alternative for developers on a budget. Before this update, the Qwen 3.5 models sometimes overthought simple tasks by wasting reasoning tokens. Now, Qwen 3.6 Plus uses a new hybrid architecture that is more decisive and faster at writing code. It also features a 1 million token context window, which means you can paste an entire codebase into the prompt without the AI forgetting the beginning. If you use AI to build apps, this model matters because it is designed to be an agent rather than just a chatbot. It can handle multi-file editing and complex terminal commands better than almost any other free model available right now. This means you can give it a broad instruction like, refactor my entire login system, and it won't break the connection halfway through. To use this for free, go to openrouter.ai and create a free account. Search for Qwen 3.6 Plus and look for a version labeled as free. Copy your API key from the keys section in your settings. Now you can paste this key into your favorite coding tools like Cursor, VS Code, or TypingMind to start coding for zero cost. This release proves that you don't need a $20 subscription to have a top-tier coding assistant in 2026. Qwen 3.6 Plus is fast, smart, and it can also handle massive projects easily. Try these things out. A lot of things are happening in the digital or tech world or AI world. You don't want to be left behind. On opportunities like this is your time and chance to test this while it's free, so you can make a decisive decision. So if you found this video useful and you like more of such videos, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions concerning Qwen 3.6 Plus, drop them in the comments also. I'll be able to respond to you with a video. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.